Guys, XRP is not a security. Exactly as most people were already expecting, it finally came through after like more than 2 years now, around three, almost 3 years. And finally, we have XRP not being a security, which is a very bullish thing for the overall cryptocurrency market. The XRP price is dang it finally breaking out exactly as predicted on this massive W pattern I have been talking about for so much time now, which my trade is having a field day today. So we're having here, guys, the exact movement here in one day, guys, from 47 cents, XRP has reached 64 cents. And my trade is on 38% profits right now. $1,132 here, guys. My entry price, 47 cents. What is the XRP price going to do today, guys? Is it going to continue going to the dollar and beyond? Or does it need more confirmations in the short term to continue? I will talk more about that in today's XRP technical analysis YouTube video, guys. So we're gonna get started here, guys. So here, guys, this is the amount of time I have been already saying this. Like, you know how much time I have been doing this, guys? I'm updating this technical analysis on the XRP price. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly when, according to the thumbnail here. Dude, look at this, since here, 3 months ago, literally, look at that. The W pattern, literally here. And look at that. 3 months ago, I updated that. And in between those months, I have been updating you guys about, hey, watch out. You're going to eventually see that pump to the upside. And so then we saw here the last parallel confirmation, which broke out. And eventually we have that completion, guys. So very, very beautiful. Exactly as I predicted, guys. Exactly. And let's go, guys. Let's go. And also, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, right here. Beautiful, guys. So let's continue here, guys. I had here my previous XRP chart here. Let's see here. So we're gonna start out here, guys. I modified this before. It's not like this. I'm gonna put the charts once again here. So guys, I adjusted the lines here because I remember when I was putting these lines, I deleted them to screenshot for the thumbnail, and I had to redraw the lines again here because I was going to do the undo option, but it just, yeah, wasn't working at the moment. So here, guys, so from the previous lines I had before, the main one here, I mentioned here, guys, that we were forming this W pattern. And I mentioned, guys, as long as we're not breaking above this line, don't expect the XRP price to pump. And so exactly as predicted, guys, we're seeing here that the XRP price is breaking above this neckline W pattern on the weekly. Not only on the weekly, we're talking about also on the monthly here. So you can see here, guys, that on this monthly, I added this line here, which is here, which you can see, boom, using the body candle closest, we have here W pattern, break above, then confirm the neckline 1, 2, 3 times, and now follow through. And I mentioned, guys, when we are seeing big time frame patterns, you're supposed to expect eventually for those patterns to complete, because it usually does almost every single time. And now we're seeing the follow through. And so here, guys, not only that, if we go in the weekly, just to discuss quickly the patterns here, I want to publish this YouTube video as soon as possible. We have the resistance, support, resistance, resistance, and then support, support, and then break above this blue line, confirm that blue line, and then follow through. And so the target for that falling wedge is $1.96. But remember, guys, this is gonna take some time for this to play out, okay? That $1.96 target is gonna take time, because multi-year patterns require multi-year time frames to play out. So don't expect this to do something like this, okay? Let's be realistic here. So like we we are always here like that. So, and again, if you want to use the white line, that's also another good line here. You can see that the break above that, but the final parallel resistance was broken on this blue line, like I mentioned in my previous XRP videos, guys. Not only that, guys, you can look at this as a descending broadening wedge, and already broke out. The price target is also, this one is around $1.91 right there, okay? It was, I think it was $1.61, around those lines, I remember. It says, I redrew the lines again, guys. So here, guys, what to expect now, guys. So here, I want to show you guys something here. So you see all of these targets. So this is considering the linear scale and the log scale targets. What is that? Just in case you are wondering. So, okay, you see the charts right here? This is called a logarithmic chart because it's structured like this. If I put it on the regular, you're gonna see here quickly that it is kind of like this. You can see like the Coinbase charts and the almost every single chart that the most retail people look at usually. But in the logarithmic scale, in summary, it's more beautiful. So we can put it like that. So, okay, so here, guys, that's the main reason. So yes, when you have the regular scale, you can have a different target compared to the logarithmic scale. So that's why we're using both. Linear scale, the regular scale are for short-term targets. For long-term, we can use it for log scale. Okay, so what are the targets, guys? So here, guys, first, remember, these are averages here. Not averages, but this is a technical target. So, okay, if you want to be very conservative, then we already met the target because using the body candle closes, we already confirmed here, follow through, and we made that target 62 cents and went higher, 64. So we already completed the target exactly as I mentioned in my previous video, guys, exactly as predicted. And that would be the conservative approach. If you want to look at the maximum, then the target will be around 68 cents. Okay, that's taking into consideration the linear and the log scale in that case, okay? And so now, if you want to consider the bigger one, which is this one, like this, using this wicks and breaking above, then this will have different targets, which I'm going to explain right now. Also, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite, a VIP crypto investor membership, where you can get an immediate short-term buying opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities, live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty in the short term and in the long term. Also live updates, my buying targets, my selling targets. And for example, we're gonna redraw those targets again, okay? So we're gonna do it like this, guys, so you can see what I'm referring to. If we put this wick to wick here, then this will be the target, like this. And that will put the target around this $1.04. I have been mentioning $1.09 around those ranges on my previous videos. I'm redrawing this, so I'm seeing here that it's around, that $1.04 to $1.09. It's not really that big difference, but you know what I mean here. So here, that would be the log scale target. If we go to the linear scale, then this will be the target. I'm gonna show you guys quickly. We can put it like this, and here. And put it like this, okay? And that target will be here. That will be at 81 cents, okay? So if we use that W pattern, then we are supposed to see, in this case, the target being met in between 85 cents, which is on my previous XRP videos, because I already said it so many times. It says, okay, 81 cents to around $1.04. Using my previous XRP videos, 85 cents to, $1.09. But it's almost the same, you know, guys. It says, okay. So, guys, that is my expectation, and I'm gonna take most of my profits around $1. Not financial advice, okay? This is just technical research, educational, and entertainment purposes, guys. So remember, guys, this is going to be very great pump, which is happening right now. Okay, what to expect, guys? Okay, remember, guys, when we are breaking out of a strong resistance like this, don't be surprised if the XRP price wants to retest this. I know the SEC, already declared that, not declared, they lost against XRP. So XRP is not a security, obviously not. But that doesn't mean that that's guaranteed to follow up in a very drastic way. I'm talking about $2, $5. Don't get that out of your head, okay? Just in case this is technicals, if I'm just being honest with you guys, okay? So guys, we are finding resistance on the macro Fibonacci tracings. Remember, guys, these are very important technicals to take into consideration. We are having perfect resistance right now, even to the body candle close on 0.5 on the 0.5 Fibonacci tracer around 61 cents. Okay, and you know how this goes. If this wants to continue going higher, we want to see confirmations above this 0.5. So in summary, what I would like to see, and technically, okay, so technically, what do you expect for more continuation? In summary, having 2 to 4 daily body candle closes above this line, and then we can expect more continuation. Or it can be 1 to 2 weekly body candle closes above this line, and then we can expect that continuation to the upside in that case, guys. And I told you guys also, remember that when we break out of this line, it's gonna be a straight line breakout. I told you guys, because I didn't, to some extent, I didn't technically say that in some portions. I mentioned wait until 2 to 4 daily body candle closes above this white line, or 1 to 2 weekly body candle closes above this white line, okay? But I mentioned also that with XRP, when it's forming these massive patterns, it doesn't like to retest them. Once it finally breaks up to the upside, it almost never gives you a chance to just, wait for the confirmations. You're gonna keep waiting, in summary. So that's why I took the trade beforehand. But not only that, I took the trade along here, but I kept adding to my averages. So it elevated my average price from 42 cents to around 47, around here, because of dollar cost averaging on my leverage position with XRP, okay? So because I knew that once it breaks that W pattern, it would not give you a chance. It's just XRP is so volatile that would not let you do that most of the times, okay? There's exceptions, but technically speaking, I already saw this asset before. That's how it usually behaves. It likes to surprise you, like today. Well, and of course, you got the SEC, of course, also. But technically, we got rejection, finally break above, support. And I mentioned on my previous video, guys, XRP price has to break out very, very rapidly, or it's gonna have a huge dump, and we saw the follow through. So very beautiful. We were about to have XRP was very close to dumping very hard if it weren't to pump. Technically speaking, here, if we were using this Fibonacci retracement here. It was here. Which one was it? Oh not that one. Yeah, guys, I'm drawing the previous lines. So this is what I was speaking before. So I had the Fibonacci retracement here and then here. This was the Fibonacci retracement, and I was mentioning, guys, when it dumped, I told you, wait, it's gonna bounce around that golden pocket. It happened. I told you guys, it has to close above that 54 cents. 2 to 4 daily body candle closes, or 1 to 2 weekly body candle closes, or you're gonna have a rejection and then come back to the 0.5, and that happened, okay? And I told you guys, very important for this XRP price to hold this 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, very important, or we're gonna see more likely a downturn. And so here, guys, we saw here that the XRP price never closed 2 to 4 daily body candle closes in a row below the red line. So it's, oh wait, no, yes it did, literally. Here, then managed to rebound from that and pump. But it was about to literally lose that support. Literally, it was about to lose that. And then the net support would be this, 45 cents. If that doesn't hold, then 44 cents because of the 0.3236. And if that doesn't hold, then expects massive dumpage to around 41 cents. And yeah, it was gonna get very ugly because I told you guys, if this doesn't pump very soon, this is looking very bearish. And it did. So SEC, there you go. Freaking beautiful, guys. So we already had that confirmation here. So, okay. And this is good, guys, because structurally, if you're looking at this as higher lows, higher highs, this is very beautiful. We have higher lows and higher highs. So XRP is finally confirming with more certainty the midterm uptrend. Long term, it was already bullish. Midterm, we were along the lines of either turning into bullish or bearish. It was in between those lines, but technically speaking, it was still bullish, but not strong bullish. If that makes sense, I know. And short term, it was bearish. Now, we went from kind of bullish in the midterm to very bullish, and now short term, we are bullish. So we are, we're bullish right now, guys. But again, I have to be realistic also here. Like I try to be always like that. Don't get surprised if this level gets retested. Why, guys? Strong resistance, strong resistance, strong resistance. And when you finally break that, which I also mentioned, the more you test that resistance, eventually you're going to break that and convert that as new support. Eventually, you will have to retest that, okay? We're talking about a resistance coming from September 19, 2022, almost a year resistance. So you're going to eventually see something like this. Either the XRP price is going to pull back like this and then continue, or it will continue going higher from here and then eventually retest that 54 cents. I can tell you that, guys. I'm very confident the XRP price is going to definitely retest that level again in the future, okay? That's my perspective. Technically speaking, makes a lot of sense. And in my opinion, it does make sense also. So, in summary, if the XRP price gets rejected on the 0.5 macro Fibonacci retracement on around 61 cents, if this cannot hold support, then expect a huge dumpage to the downside, okay? Oh, 63 cents, guys. We're pulling higher. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Okay. So, yeah, guys. What are the conditions for this pullback? Closing 2 to 4 daily body candle closes below this 61 cents, or closing 1 to 2 weekly body candle closes below that will be indicating a pullback around that 54 cents. If not, if we can hold that support, pump it to the upside. But remember, guys, when XRP price pumps like this, it does it very fast, you know? Look at this. Boom, and once that happens, boom, boom. I'm gonna get those averages here so I can see, because most of the times those pumps are very kind of the same time frame. So this one lasted 47 days. If we go here, we're gonna tell you guys here quickly. If we go from here, this pump again. Let's see here quickly, guys. Okay, from here to here, this was around 20 days. So, and we can keep doing that over and over again. Again, pump here quickly, just to get some averages here. So it's from here to here, around 40 days. So in between that 20 to 40 days should be a good sell signal for that pump, usually, because XRP price does this almost every single time. Pump, dumpage very quickly. It doesn't last that long, okay? It looks parabolic, but well, I will put it in between 20 to 40 days, okay? On the next video, I can give you a more specific like number. I'm just giving you quick averages here, okay? So yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing so far for the XRP price. This is going exactly as predicted, guys. And again, we're having that follow through. Look at this. 63 cents. $1,480, guys. 50%. Oh my gosh, man. You know how long I have been waiting for this, guys? You know how long? I'm gonna show you guys quickly. On my Discord group, I mentioned this, guys, on my Discord group. Like, dude, I'm gonna show you guys. Wait a second. The first time I put this trade was on March 23, 2023, guys. I have been waiting since March to some extent, because on the following days and the following weeks, then I ended up seeing the W pattern, and then I just put that trade to last longer in summary, because I don't want to take it beforehand. So since March 23, we're on July 13, 2023, guys. So that's beautiful, guys. So we're seeing that uptrend. And you know how many times I dollar cost average? I'm gonna let you know here, guys. The last time I put a XRP trade update was on June 17, 2023. So this was 19 times I updated this, guys, before this happened, literally. So yeah, you can see how I was dollar cost averaging in that trade. And yeah, eventually exactly as predicted, guys. So yeah, so we're gonna see here for the following months the continuation here, guys. So yeah, guys, also welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. Leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. If you enjoyed this YouTube video, guys, I would really appreciate it also. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my XRP and other Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency technical analysis YouTube video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. If you want to join my Discord group, you can definitely do that if you would like to. It's very affordable. I made it on purpose like that so I can help you as much as possible. Publish 2 to 3 times per week, usually. And I put the trading pattern, trading opportunities, long-term, mid-term, short-term, buying, selling. Same also when I do it on my own, not financial advice, but you can use this as a reference to research and learn more about technical analysis and other cryptocurrencies also. I tell you the cryptocurrencies I hold also, and if you have any questions, I can definitely help you there, and I would like to see you there if you want to. If not, it's okay. I appreciate you for watching this YouTube video anyways, guys. So also you can support my YouTube channel by clicking in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite, a VIP crypto investor membership, where you can get an immediate short-term buy opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities, live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty in the short term and in the long term. Also live updates, my buying targets, my selling targets. And thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys. And peace out, guys.